A is for alligator snapping so wide. B is for bear eating honey so sweet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who runs all day. E is for elephant big and strong. F is for frog who sings a song. G is for giraffe so tall and neat. H is for horse with fast strong feet. I is for iguana green and long. J is for jaguar sneaky and strong. K is for kangaroo bouncing so high. L is for lion king of the sky. M is for monkey swinging with glee. N is for narwhal swinging so free. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin waddling just right. Q is for quail hiding in the grass. R is for rabbit quick to dash. S is for snake slithering slow. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn galloping so bright. V is for vulture soaring so steep. W is for whale big and grand. X is for x-ray fish see-through and bland. Y is for yak furry and strong. Z is for zebra trotting along. A, B, C, now we know so many animals high and low.